Hello everyone, I'm Pauline, a dietitian from the National Healthcare Group Polyclinics. Today, we are going to show you how to make simple and tasty recipes with everyday ingredients just under 30 minutes. And we hope that these quick-to-prepare meals can help you achieve your health goals. Today, we'll be making steamed egg with yogurt. Start off by lightly sautéing a cup of chopped mushrooms and half a cup of chopped capsicum. Separately, whisk 8 eggs, 1 cup of plain fat-free yogurt, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce and pepper. Keep whisking until you get a smooth consistency. Add in the cooked mushrooms and capsicums into the mixture and mix them evenly. Transfer the mixture into 4 molds. Steam over high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and serve immediately. Enjoy! We hope you enjoyed this cooking demo on healthy and delicious quick-to-prepare meals. If you'd like to download the recipes, please click on the link or scan the QR code.